Welcome to the Imran.Family kitchen. Ramadan Mubarak, everybody. I wanted to send you this message. Now today, over here, I am going to be making strawberry mulberry milkshake. So let's crack on with it. So to begin with, I'm gonna add in 4 to 5 strawberries. So let me just do that, a couple each. That's that. And these are mulberries. I've only seen this over here in Turkey. Maybe I've been living under a rock. I'm gonna add 4 to 5 of these, and these are extremely delicious. These are so tasty. Like, you gotta take my word for it if you haven't tried this out. And obviously, very healthy, antioxidants. Berries are high in antioxidants, which is good for anti-aging as well. And then right now, 2 dates. Let's go inside. And then let's add in a glass of milk. Goes in nice and fresh. You want to have something that refreshes you when you break your fast. And you can use any milk of your choice. You can make it vegan as well if you want to do so. 3 cashew nuts to make it creamy. So cashew nuts, one of my favorites of all time. Goes inside. One of my most favorite ingredients over here, honey. So I'm gonna add in 1 tablespoon of this. And obviously you want like a burst of energy after having a long day of fasting. So let's add in this 1 tablespoon. This is gonna give you that essential sweetness that you want, along with the dates and the strawberries and the mulberries as well. So it's gonna be a great blend. Okay, that's that. This is my favorite ingredient of all, and it's an ancient superfood, chia seeds. So good for you. You must have this. You must add this into your cereals, your porridges, your oats, and into your smoothies. So this goes in. Very, very important to have during Ramadan. And then I've got my secret ingredient, my bonus ingredient. If you want to make it a little bit more creamy, I'm gonna add in this yummy 1 full tablespoon of vanilla ice cream. Now 2 years ago, when we started this channel, I was making a lot of these beverages from 2 years ago. So you can check that out in the beverages playlist. You might be able to check that on the top over here. All right, so now it's time to grind this. I'm gonna just put the lid on. Before I continue to grind, I want you guys to inform me where you guys are watching from. So let me know which city you are watching from and which country you're watching from, because we have a global viewing. So it'll be nice to know where you guys are watching from. Okay, let's start with the grinding. So now it's time to grind. All right, so now it's time to see. Look at that color. Oh, I can't wait to have this. Look at that. And it's just enough for 1 person. Okay, so we've made this. Now I'm just gonna, you wanna go for the display. So you wanna slit this strawberry here into half. Not fully in half, but just like maybe 3/4 of the way inside through the center. And then it goes over here, like that. Okay. Got a little bit of display. All right, you saw how to make this wonderful strawberry mulberry milkshake. So let me just give this a go. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Wah! It's a wonderful way to break your fast. It is literally broke right now, and having this is so sweet. It's just so yummy. You know, you can feel the taste of that vanilla ice cream in there, and obviously the fruits, the mulberry and the strawberry, and a little bit of that hint of honey. Absolutely wonderful. So with that said, do like this video and subscribe to my channel, Imran.Family Kitchen, and I'll see you next time.